traumatized. It's hard to speak on what I'm feeling up inside. I can't even look my mama in the eye.
What's up, HBK gang? Back with another video, man. I'm at another mall, you know what I'm saying? Back to back.
Hell yeah, man, we out here, man.
Look at that.
What's going on, man?
Yeah, look, man, you know what I'm saying? Got the gang with me. Another lit vlog, man, you know what I'm saying? Choo choo.
Hey, man, tell me where we at with it today.
Man, we at a mall called Gunna Hill, nigga. I don't know the name of this mall, nigga, but we up here. You know what I'm saying? By the time y'all see this, I'm gonna be gone, yo. But you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna tune y'all back in on some more stuff, Yo. So I'm tuning y'all back in again, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm thinking about, like, y'all about in the comments, like, hating right now, like, dang, how he going places every day?
You need to pick it up. You
like,
gotta put it in your face.
They see you every day,
what's
like,
up, y'all?
like they be like, dang, they hating on me. Like, I see you every day at the mall and this and that, cause you know what? I got money like that. Y'all trying to go to outside world? Oh, look at my brother. Oh, they got, look, outdoor world. What's that? Who's that? So I'm about to go in. Oh, whoa.
You got 7 Plus for sale? I
Yeah.
catch you out.
Right now?
Yeah, you got 7 Plus?
Yeah.
What's wrong with it?
How you doing? Yeah, what's up, man? So I'm tuning in to this right now at Outdoor World. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I'm at Outdoor World with it. Yeah. Man, oh, nigga, what? Nigga, we in Outdoor World with it. You know what I'm saying? Take y'all boys over here. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? This is just little stuff, you know? All right, here I come. Yo, gang.
You gotta put this shit on it, right?
Hold on.
Nah,
Whoa. Why you pointing that, man?
that's something to go do a drill with.
And then you aim at, look.
Quit aiming that shit at
For
me.
all my ladies out there, right? So when you catch your guy cheating on you, you grab this, grab an arrow, put it on his penis, and pow!
Dang, nigga, you just told all the ladies on here to go to jail, nigga. They about to go straight under jail,
All
nigga.
the crazy female out there. You pick the tips right here.
Oh, don't do that. Oh, look. Oh,
Damn, this nigga look real as hell.
nigga, it is real, nigga. Look, nigga. Yes, it is. Look.
It is real.
Look. Oh, what if he just blinked and opened his mouth?
Fuck, touch his eye. It is real. Hey, touch his eye. Touch that motherfucker eye. It's real. Touch that shit.
You can see a smoke coming out. Look.
Yeah, it's real.
Watch it.
Stand right there. Look that way, right? You see it, right?
That was just crispy, nigga. So all of these real, nigga, they just, oh, you can see his teeth.
Sit up, bro. I gotta get the joke that's
Bro. Yeah, that nigga, it's a bullet, nigga. Oh, yeah, y'all shoot a real gun, nigga. It's real. It's right, they right there. We just passed them. No, it's real ones. They right there. As soon as you come out. Right here. No, man. Hold on, y'all. Two back in. You know what I'm saying? Don't get it messed up, nigga. Don't get it messed up, man. Don't get it messed up, man. Don't get it messed up, man. Don't get it messed up. What you looking at, nigga? Oh, what? Oh, hold on. This one? This one, you like this, nigga? You not about to. Oh, this nigga.
You want to hop in this?
Hop in here, nigga.
Hey, Mo, check it out.
I bet you won't, nigga.
Bro.
Hey. Hop in there, nigga. Shit, nigga. This nigga tripping. He just hopped in his bed. Hold on, nigga. Hold on, nigga. Oh, shit,
Camera on
man.
my laptop? Hey, this is the one, right?
Nah, bro, this one.
It's not the one?
Let me see.
Hey, how'd you get this shit cheap, Walla? How much is it? $200 a month.
Hey, hop in this big.
Shit.
Bro, just hop in this big, bro.
How this shit for me, bro?
Oh, cause this is a boogie.
Fake vlogging. Fuck that nigga. Big bro. Fuck it.
Nigga driving this shit. This nigga driving the fucking boat and shit, man.
Hey, they said, what is on the boat, you know?
So what you do?
They kicking you out, bro.
Oh,
Hey, come on, man. We gotta get away from him. Drive away.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Trying to go to every. Look how 4 wheels and shit. We gonna go to every boat, nigga?
Hell yeah, you breaking shit, man.
Damn, hey, I ain't break shit, nigga. We gonna get put out. Oh shit, man. Oh
Hey,
shit.
they having these bitches in GTA. These be going fast as shit.
Nigga, these boats weak as hell. Bro, this 4-wheeler bigger than you, nigga. You hit somebody with this bitch. It's over, nigga. Get in this bed. Get in here. Skirt. Oh. Slow down, folks. Knock it off. This boat fast. Knock it off. Oh. Feel me? Knock it off.
Hey, you about to buy that shit?
Let me see. I'll mark on it up. Come up the first gear. Oh shit. Oh, knock it off. This not for me. Knock it off. That's too big. Knock it off. Knock it off. That shit's big. It's beyond me. Let me go back to the basics like Quando Rondo. I'm in a boat. I'm in a boat. No. I ain't messing with that. It's beyond me. Let her now. I got the gang with me, you know what I'm saying? We all eating.